free your time and your space for better people and better situations to come in. The best people I know have the least amount of friends. Me personally, in my journey, I had to lose all of my friends and most of my family. And I got to a level where I had to get out of my comfort zone and to meet new people and to just shift my whole identity, shift my whole reality. I had to move locations, I had to change people around me, I had to let go of all of the toxic relationships. You have to let go of all of the toxic relationships in your life. Because if you don't, then it will drag you down and you will never get to the next level. There are some people who think that you will always be around regardless of how they act around you or how they treat you.